These floating floors are really easy to install and relatively low cost, but when they start to squeak, it is tough to fix. You can see here that it's only the floating floor that squeaks. The bathroom floor or any of the carpet areas, they don't squeak at all. Now, we tried the easy fix, like putting talcum powder or baby powder into the floor. It didn't even work at all. Now, I'm not saying this is the best solution, but this is what we did. We took 1 3/16" brads and shot them right into the floor. After trying everything else, we're still waking people up at night. I really don't want to replace the entire floor, but these squeaks are almost ridiculous. Now, if there's someone out there that has a better solution, please comment below. I really didn't like the idea of putting 350 brad nails into the floor to get it to stop squeaking. In fact, I would say we didn't even completely fix the problem, but we did make a very big improvement in the squeaking. At first, when I started putting the nails in, I was very strategic, and then after a while, I was just laying as many in as I could possibly get in a random pattern. If I heard a squeak, I just put more nails in. Before I started this process, I made sure that it wasn't the subfloor. All the other carpeted areas or tiled areas didn't squeak, so we know it is the floating floor. Whenever I was putting the nails in, I made sure that if any of them stuck up a little bit, I would take a hammer and a punch and just punch them down, because I don't want to grab my socks on these nails. So you're probably wondering, how bad does it look with this many nails in the floor? From far away, you really can't see it. If you get close up, you can see it. But what's worse, having the nail holes in the floor or having it squeak? Here you can see a section of floor without the nails. I really like these floating floors. I like the cost. I like the way they look. I like how easy they are to install, but I don't like the squeaking. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it.